When I look back to tell my story, I go, who influenced me? My 5th grade art teacher, my 8th grade shop teacher, my 8th grade English teacher. In this classroom today, I'm using the skills that I did from them. That's why this is important. My name is John Cranston. I'm state coordinator for BIRD Incorporated, working with ICAMS in Auburn University. I started BIRD Inc. 25 years ago, I believe it was, and I was working as a senior research scientist at the University of Alabama Huntsville Research Institute. And while I was there, I was asked if I could do something with the program because they knew my background, this hippie guy turned rocket scientist kind of guy. So I created a story and a program where we actually manufactured something in a classroom, and it was called BIRD Incorporated, the 50-Minute Factory. During that time, I talked to over 20,000 students going into a classroom. They would start a factory, they get to participate in the factory, and we have a great time, and word spread, and I just kept doing it over and over again. We've talked to 1,300 students in 5 schools, and the reaction on the survey we did, we got 562 or something responses back on the first survey, and 85% of the kids, when asked the question, did you like BIRD Inc., 85% added together wanted it the same length or longer. When you're talking to middle schoolers, I think that's a pretty good number, that 85% want to listen to you. And why am I in middle school? All the stuff you like having is manufactured. Every one of you can be involved in manufacturing because you have a talent and an ability that is needed in that kind of an industry. But more important than that is, our country needs manufacturing. We cannot be the great country that we have been and still are without manufacturing. You can do that with these kinds of jobs and skills.